Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to share my all-in-one DIY surface cleaner that we can use to clean pretty much all types of surfaces in your home on a daily basis. From common stains that usually happens when we have kids around to stubborn oily greasy stains that gets accumulated while cooking. In the market you will find different cleaner for different usages. However, in this video you will see how I make my own DIY multi-purpose cleaner that I use in all surfaces from ply to steel to tiles to glasses, all my cleaning chores, saving lot of time and money too. Also have shared how we can stick sticker on kitchen wall, so do stay connected until end. Hope you like this video. Keep watching. So these are the ingredients we require. So into a cup I'm going to add around 4 tablespoons of vinegar. This is for half liter of spray measurement. Then add a teaspoon of dishwash liquid. Now to this I am going to add the essential oil for fragrance. You may skip it if you don't have its lemongrass one. Add around 8 to 10 drops. Now add 500 ml of water into it. Give a mix and an all-purpose cleaner is ready. Now into a clean spray bottle, add the mixture. Close, shake it well and it's ready to use. Now let me show you how I clean and on what surfaces I use it. Now for cleaning glass, just dust off with a cloth and spray the solution. Shake the bottle well before use. Now with a microfiber cloth that's damp wet, just wipe off the surface. Wipe again and finally wipe the glass surface with a paper. Here I am using tissue paper. Glass surface is all clean now. Similarly, you may use the spray for wardrobe cleaning too. Mine is wooden texture. Simply spray and wipe it with a clean cloth. It also acts as a disinfectant as it contains vinegar in it. I use this spray to clean my refrigerator too. Spray and wipe. Super easy, right? Now let's move on to the most common stains we face every day if we have kids at home. Pencil marks, sketch pen marks, marker stains found all around, right? Now let's see how to clean these stains. Spray on the stain area and then leave it for few seconds. And then take a Scotch Brite scrub and gently scrub on the stain. And in no time you can see the stain getting clear. Gently scrub and you see all stains coming off. Now use a damp wet cloth and wipe off the stains. You can see how easily the stains go. This DIY cleaner is a must in my house as I use it regularly in all my cleaning chores. See how easily the stains have vanished, right? Now once you have wiped it, just rinse again. Squeeze off the excess water and then wipe it again. And you see the furniture looks bright, as if it's new, right? I also spray it on my sinks every day and wipe it off as it works as a disinfectant too. Spray the solution, wipe it with a clean cloth. And the sink is all clean now. Moving ahead, for my window and balcony glass cleaning too, I use this solution as it often gets dusted very easily with soil. Simply spray the solution and wipe it. And you can see it's clean. Moving ahead to the most stubborn area of stains, that the kitchen counter and walls. So here I have the tiles walls which easily get stained. See the oil stains here? No matter how many times we clean, these stains keeps coming, and as we regularly cook, this is very common in every households. So let's see how to remove stubborn oil stains. Spray the solution multiple times over the stain. Leave it for some time. Meanwhile, we'll show how I clean up my gas stove every day. I remove the holders and spray the solution over it. And with a cloth, wipe off the stove. Easily all stains gets removed and stove is clean. Wipe it 1 to 2 times and you see stove is all clean. This is my regular cleaning routine after my cooking. In just few seconds you see the stove is cleaned easily. This spray is a must, I must say, in every house. Now moving to the tiles, I use my steel scrubber here and gently scrub the tiles. You can see in a minute the stains disappearing. Just scrub it and wipe it off and you see stubborn oily greasy stains are gone. Whether it's a regular cleaning or deep cleaning, this spray is a must in every house. With just 3 to 4 ingredients, a multi-purpose cleaner can be easily made. Look how clean the kitchen top, counter and the wall looks now. Now let me share with you how we can avoid these stains sticking to these tiles walls. Nowadays, you get wall stickers easily available in the market, right? Now let me show you how to stick on a kitchen wall. Once the wall is clean, and then we're going to stick the wallpaper over it. Firstly, you need to see the position you're going to stick, and then we're going to peel the sticker off and stick wherever required. Simply peel and stick the sticker to the desired position. See how beautiful this looks now? So here comes my helping hand, as always my husband. Now this sticker will enhance the beauty of your kitchen and also make your cleaning job more easy. And if while cooking any stains get stuck, simply spray it with homemade solution and wipe it off. Easy, right? Hope you all found this video useful. If so, please hit the like button and share among your family and friends. And for many more such useful videos, do stay connected by subscribing to Nisha Thaju. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.